Hey guys, this video is to show you how to make a new listing flyer template. You can use it for new listing, door knocks, open houses, anytime you're promoting a listing. It is under WRCOK office marketing. And then this flyer name, I'll put that link in the description so that you guys can navigate to it easily on the drive. I'm just going to show you how to update all the info. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going through putting in the address, the bed and bath count here. Garage. Then my square footage is 3576. This template is built so it has 3 photos. Usually this is going to be your MLS photo as your big one. And then you're going to grab 2 more. I think I have the kitchen and the living here as an example. Before I go any further, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this so that I don't mess up Tony's flyer too badly before he yells at me. I'm going to go back in the matrix. I'm going to copy my MLS description. I'm going to select all of this and I'm going to paste without formatting so that it'll take the same format as the flyer. Need a text code, so I'm just going to make up 3301 QuidNet. And now I need to make it to where that actually functions. The way I do that is I go into my listings on my WRCOK. I'm going to go to my company listings and grab the MLS ID for this property. And then I'm going to come over here to my lead engine, call and text capture. I'm going to add a new one, and I'm just going to put 3301 QuidNet. I'm going to say search by MLS ID. I'm going to put in my MLS ID here. It'll pop up with QuidNet, and then I can add a hashtag like flyer so that I know this came from my flyer and my flyer is working. And I'm going to put our smart number in here also. I'm going to add that. Now my text code's functioning, so anybody that texts this will get a link to my website to see the information from my website. Now I need the QR code. Again, real simple to do this. Just go back to listings, company listings, pull up the property you want to use, and there'll be a direct link that pops up here. Copy that direct link, paste it into a browser like so. And then when it comes up, you're going to just grab this and go to QR code, download it, just put it anywhere in your downloads. Now I'm going to take that QR code. I'm going to come in here to my other one. I'm going to replace that image, grab my QR code, throw it in there. Now all I got to do is update my picture and my photo. All of these are always on the drive, my drive, WCOK, office, realtors, headshots. Then I'm going to find mine right there. I'm going to throw in my name. Of course, I have a super long name, so I'll have to decrease the size of this a little bit so you can read it. And then I'm going to put in my phone number and my email. And I'm done, ready to go. I can print this out just by going to file. I can even download it as a PDF, or I can actually print it out right here. And I have my copies ready to go with my flyer. Again, you can use these for promoting a listing, door knocking, open houses, or just putting at the house so that people can grab the info. They've got 2 ways, by either texting or scanning this QR code. Both of them will point to your website to get you leads from this piece of paper. So please use this as your flyer template. It's a great lead generation tool. I'll see you guys over in the next quick tip.